There is multiple features available in our ad stock form. Let's discuss them one by one. First one, let's take you have a stock like this, that the total quantity is 30, the total value is 1700, and 20 items price is 600 and 10 item price is 500. Total 20 plus 10 30, and total price is this. Now suppose you enter 30 here in the header total quantity and 1700 here in the batch buy price. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to come to the footer part, and the quantity is 20 and price is 600. You have to set this, right? 20 and 600, and next 10 has 500. Suppose you, what you do, you enter this 1700, this 30 in header, fine. Then you enter 20 item as 600, and you skip this, you skip this part. Okay, you then what our application will do, when you enter 30 and 1700, it will auto calculate the per piece buy price of an item, which is 566.67. Now you have specified that 20 items buy price is 600 in the footer part. Okay, so it will consider this first. If you specify anything in footer part, it will consider this first. So first 20 items will be 600, it will be set as 600. Rest of the 10 items, as you do not specify anything, so by default these 10 items buy price will be 566.67. Okay, to avoid this you have to specify this also. Okay, so this is the first feature. Secondly, suppose you have a item which do not have any footer. Okay, let's take an example. This one, we can see that this one do not have any footer. Okay, here there is total 30 items and the total price is 1200. Okay, so if you divide 1200 into 30, which will be the answer, that will be the per piece buy price. So that's it, there is no extra properties. So in that case you can do two things. First one, after entering every detail in header, just enter the same quantity as here. Okay, suppose you here quantity as 10 with other properties, and you enter here 10 also, and you skip these things. Okay, so what it will do, it will consider these 10 items with these properties, but as there is no extra properties, by default it will take properties from the header. So the all the quantity means all the items will take the header properties. Otherwise this is the first step. Or what you can do, you can simply go to customize ad stock and disable all, and come to here, there is no footer, then you can also enter. So these are two things. Okay, third one is let's enable some first from here, color. Okay, okay, next one is, suppose you are entering item which uh, where there is total 30 items, 20 items are of white, okay, and 10 items are of black. Okay, ignore the price right now for now, just consider 20 item for white, 10 item of black. So what you can do, you can select the color as white. Okay, select the color as white, total quantity is 30. Then in next part, here enter 10 quantity and color as black. Okay, the total is 30 and this is white. Okay, so what it will do, when you submit this, it will set 10 items as black color and rest of the 20 items as default white color. So this is another feature where this value will override this one. Okay, so fine. Next one is clear header. If you enable this, after submitting, everything will be cleared. If you disable this, after submitting, the footer part only clear, but the header part will be exist as it is. Fine. Next thing is subcategory. This is actually looks like a input box, but if you type here, suppose P, when you type P, you can see that there is two options available: pump hardware and wooden ply. So if you click on this, it will be selected. Okay, so this is actually a type of drop down, or you can say a suggestion box. Okay, same is available in item number. If you enter W, so water tank will be shown here. Okay, same is available for brand. Fine, same is available for seller. Okay, so these are some input fields, and if you enable this here also, suppose I enable brand. Okay, in footer this is also available there, so this is a brand. If you type T, it is available also here. Okay, you can add more from here, and suppose you add one, and now if you want to delete, so you can simply delete it using reset. Everything will be clear. So this is the add stock form. If you visit these eye icons, you can see that what these fields are. Let's do one thing: reset all. Okay, and save all. Now if come to add stock, you can see a lot of input fields are available there. So this is a mess, as we do not need that much of input field, so we can simply customize based on our requirement. Okay, and if you browse, you can see that there are suggestion: what is this, what is this. Okay, if you select warranty, it will say the what is the duration. You can select from here, right? Same is available here. So this is all about our add stock form.